Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. Welcome to part 2 of the summer nails series. As y'all can see, I have a new fresh summer nail set on for y'all. I also put these nails on with the new nail glue that I've never used before, so we trying a new nail glue out. I also have on a Chalk Nation t-shirt that I created for my Chalk Nation. So if you guys would love to support your girl, I would really appreciate it. The t-shirt link is in the description box of this video, so make sure you guys check out the description box. Links to these nails and everything that I used will also be in the description box. So after you guys watch the tutorial / review of part 2 of the summer nails series, make sure you guys check out the description box. I'm not gonna hold y'all here too long. We're gonna jump right on into the tutorial. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's do a quick what I ordered versus what I got. And as y'all can see, I got exactly what I ordered. That's what the nails were given on SHEIN. And this is what I received. And I love that. The nails are exactly like the picture as shown on SHEIN. And I love when I get exactly what I ordered. So the nails come with nail stickers and a nail file. Of course, I'm not using the stickers because we want our nails to last for at least a week. I'm giving you guys a new video every week, so I'll be switching my nails out weekly. So I was trying to see if these nails can bend or break easily, and no, they do not bend or break, and I love that. I was sizing them to make sure that they fit good. I always get a size large. You have to pick the right nail size for your nail beds. They come small, medium, or large. I always get a large because I have wide nail beds, and I can always take away a little bit around the cuticle area and the side walls if it's a little bit too big. So I was trying to see if the charms and jewels were gonna come off real easy, and no baby, they are up and stuck on these nails. And these nails are so beautifully made. They come stuck onto this card, and I will link the seller's name in the description box as well, because they have plenty of other nails that are so pretty by this seller. They also have a little guide to show you how to apply them if you are not familiar. However, you don't need that guide if you watch my tutorial. So let's get into the nail prep. So my nails did grow out just a little bit from my last set, but I didn't cut them down because these nails are not see-through or anything at all. You're not gonna see my natural nail up under the nail, and my nails are not too long, so I just went ahead and start filing the shine from the top of my natural nails using the nail file that came with the nails. And for this nail file to be so small, it definitely does what needs to be done. You don't have to do this aggressively. I'm just gently removing that top layer and roughening up the surface of my nail. This step helps your nails stick better and last longer. You always want to start with a roughened up dry surface. And I have half acetone and half alcohol in my spray bottle. That is what I'm using for my nail dehydrator. It just removes any remaining debris and oil from my natural nails and prepares them for the nail application. So I got a new nail glue. I'm using this nail glue and nail glue remover. It's by McCart. I'm not going to use the nail glue remover until I get ready to take the nails off so that you guys can see how it works. But today we are using their solid nail glue. You do not need a lamp for this nail glue. It definitely gives the glue that needs to be cured. Is nice and thick, but you do not need a nail lamp to cure it. That is the difference. As you guys can see, the consistency is nice and thick. It's not dripping at all, so that lets me know that this nail glue is going to dry on really good. So let's start putting the nails on. So as you can see, I'm just putting a good bubble of glue onto my nails and spreading it around, and then I'm going to line that press-on nail up with the cuticle area. Slowly press the nail down onto my natural nail, and then I'm using my middle finger to press from underneath my finger. So I'm pressing on the top and I'm pressing the bottom of my finger into the nail, and I'm pressing and holding for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Once I'm sure the nail is on, then I continue pressing in the center of the nail and also pressing against the side walls of the nails to ensure I have full coverage pressed all around my nail. That will guarantee that your nails are stuck really well and they will not come off, and they will last you at least 2 to 3 weeks depending on how good this glue is. When I use my other Beauty Secrets nail glue, them nails ain't coming off. Them nails ain't coming off right away. Like, it's gonna take a minute for that Beauty Secrets nail glue to start lifting. But I am trying this new glue by McCart. I have tried semi-solid gel nail glue before, in a different brand I got from SHEIN. So McCart is very well known. I got it on Amazon. I will link it in the description. So McCart is a really good, well-known brand for all nail supplies. So I really wanted to try this one out. So that's why we are using the McCart today. And as you can see, I just put a dot of glue on the nail and then I'm spreading it around. I'm not touching my cuticles. As you can see, I'm just spreading it around my natural nail, but the glue is not touching my cuticle area. And then I line the press-on nail up at a 90-degree angle, slowly press down onto my natural nail. And I'm kind of doing this in real time. Usually I kind of chop the video up. I did speed it up a little bit, but I just wanted to give you guys more of a real time thing instead of having a choppy video. So we just going and flowing. And as y'all can see, these nails are giving already. I really love the handmade acrylic nails because you don't have to do anything extra to them. All you have to do is put them on. All you really need is a good nail prep and just put them on, and your nails will definitely last. These nails are thick. They are not thin at all. I love that about these nails. They are really giving nail salon or nail tech. Like, the person that made these nails really snapped on these because the nails are nice and thick but not too thick. And the way that they put all the designs, from the 3D nail art to the bling, the way that they put this onto these nails, the bling and the nail designs are definitely not going to fall off. Usually, sometimes when I buy the traditional regular standard press on nails, my jewels and stuff be falling off, so I always have to go in and like put a glue around them once I put my set on, just to make sure that the rhinestones and stuff don't fall off. And that's just with the regular standard press on nails. But with these acrylic handmade nails, these designs are not going anywhere. They are really stuck on there. These nails are so well made. These nails are perfect for the summertime. I love all the beautiful, vibrant colors, and I am not using a filter or anything on these nails. This is exactly how these nails look fresh out the pack. You don't have to do anything extra to these nails. And I always keep me a Q-tip or something handy just in case I have a little glue spillage. It happens. With practice, you'll still have a little, spillage every here and there, but make sure you keep you a nice Q-tip or cotton roll on hand so you can clean up that glue before it dries, because you don't want it to dry on your fingers and then you have that ashy glue line around your nails. And usually I do my dominant hand first. I'm right-handed, so that's my dominant hand, but for some reason I've been starting with my left hand. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how I use my hands to help myself apply these nails using my left hand. So you definitely have to go a little bit slower and take your time when you're using your non-dominant hand. But I'm doing the same thing that I did with my right hand, with using my right hand on my left hand. but just a little bit slower. I did speed up the video because I didn't want to show y'all the whole process all over again, but definitely take your time when using your non-dominant hand to put nails onto your dominant hand. You don't have to rush the process. I always do my nails when I have a good chunk of time to really take my time and apply them correctly. So it definitely takes practice using your non-dominant hand, but just, you know, do the same steps that you did with your dominant hand, just a little bit slower, so that you don't have a lot of glue spillage, because using your non-dominant hand you can kind of squeeze a little too much glue unconsciously, but with practice and my tutorials you'll be a pro in no time. So I got this cuticle oil from Dollar Tree and I really like it. It has crystals in the bottom of it. And why did I spill half of the cuticle oil? Y'all, be careful. Don't knock it over and be clumsy like I did. But I love that this cuticle oil has like a little push top. So once you push that little button at the top, the cuticle oil comes out, which I thought was really cool. It's not a squeezy one, it's just a push top one, which I've never seen that before. So check your local Dollar Tree for that cuticle oil. And of course we're oiling up our cuticles and our hands, because I do not condone crusty cuticles around here. You better be oiling your cuticles up after you apply a fresh nail set. Even when you don't got no nails on, keep your cuticles nice and oiled up. And this is how the nails turned out, and y'all can't tell me it don't look like I went to the nail salon and got my nails done. This is definitely giving summer vibes, definitely giving fresh out of the nail salon. Look at how beautifully made, and just the thickness of the nails is perfect. I give these a 10 out of 10. I got exactly what I ordered, and they are giving exactly what they are supposed to give. This is definitely a set that you need in your summer nail collection. Go ahead and check out that description box link and get you some. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to part 2 of the summer nail series. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about this set. Make sure you like this video for me. That really helps my content get boosted into the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you are new here and you made it to the end of this video without subscribing, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here, boo. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.